Good. Plus, we need to find this dumb so-called woman, and we need to find her ASAP, or else we're not gonna find her. And plus, she's known for child abuse, and she literally killed them and abandoned them on the streets, or even worse, just hurt them and leave them on the street. OMG, that is some real gossip. But we really need to find her. Meanwhile, back in the house. Huh? What's this noise? It's coming from upstairs. I'm scared, but I really want to investigate. I'm really wondering. Let me go upstairs.